This is Mount Taranaki, just close to our house. It's just 1 minute driving, just next to our street. We can see the Mount Taranaki, and that greeny, they are paddocks where the cows eat the grass that is for the cows. See, this is very close to our street, and this Mount Taranaki is very famous here in Taranaki region, and mostly here are farms. And that one there is the primary school here in our community. Pepper. So that's we're just walking here with Pepper. It's very greeny here. That's a farm where the cows eat the grass there. That is for the cow. See, and Mount Taranaki, and this is the primary school. See, that's the primary school here. Pepper, we just have a walk here because it's a beautiful day.